National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Geneva on the Lake to Ripley, New York, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a mariner reported a waterspout offshore near Conneaut. The showers in the vicinity were moving east at 20 knots. Other waterspouts may develop in the vicinity of these showers offshore of Ashtabula County, Ohio, and Erie County, Pennsylvania through the midday hours. Showers and thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
The Lake Erie short-term marine forecast.